My name is Alex Nicholas. I'm here at Loffler Companies with Jackie Moran and Jessica Need, a couple representatives that handle our banking and financial vertical here at Loffler. Today we're here just speaking about some trends that we're seeing with our clients and the marketplace in general. So hopefully this conversation will give you a couple ideas next time you're looking to invest in some technology. So Jackie, I don't know if you want to start off.
Yeah.
You meet with quite a few clients on a daily basis.
We do.
So any trends that you are seeing, I guess on the rise?
Yeah, I think in a majority of the meetings that we go to, whether it's a single branch, multi-branch, credit union, and investment firm, a big topic for us is secure print and follow me print technology for folks who might be traveling between branches, locations, things like that. Some of the reporting tools that go along with those follow me print solutions are great for auditors and things, because a lot of times we have been hearing from clients and prospective clients that when the auditors come in, they can't just check a box anymore. They can't just say, we have this, we're compliant here, this regulation is complete and compliant. They want to see that the proof is in the pudding. So a lot of the reporting technology through some of those platforms is a big topic.
Yeah. Jess, how about you?
On the IT side of things, we're still doing a lot in the voice. So whether that be evaluating the connectivity between branches, so reevaluating those wide area networks and contracts to phone systems, both hosted and premise-based solutions. We're constantly evaluating that with those customers. And then just your traditional infrastructure projects, so whether that be wireless, your switch route, your backup and disaster recovery and business continuity. Sometimes that can be a separate project in itself. And then focusing on security. So like you mentioned in print, that's also a big topic for us in IT, security as a service.
Right.
So whether that's partnering and looking at SOX, so outsourcing that, or just our FISA assessments, which gives you a credit score in the security realm. So very relatable within that finance.
Yep. Yeah, I think that's huge. And the one thing that I see on a daily basis is, through the associations that we belong to and the community banks and the Minnesota Bankers Association, there seems to be a lot of, consolidation. More and more banks are looking to consolidate their vendors, leverage one trusted partner to do more in their environment. Also from a compliance standpoint, their partners have to be just as compliant as what the bank is held to. So that's sometimes difficult to find that trusted partner, but I know there's a lot of benefit in that aspect too.
Absolutely.
So,
right.
Other than that, I think banking is changing. FinTech, financial technology, those types of things. The integrations with core systems has been huge and doing more with less. But there's a new set of customers that bankers are trying to tackle. The millennials definitely do things different than how my parents did it, and the home buying process, the loan process, just general banking stuff is being tough to handle here. So from that standpoint, anything else from a technology standpoint you guys run into? And else I think we can sign off. But
Yeah, I think hitting on the FISA score, secure print, a lot of that security compliance piece. What else do you think?
Yeah, I think just making sure that our banking customers, our biggest thing is just helping our customers succeed.
Right.
And giving them the tools to be able to, entertain and gain new customer share and market share. And technology is a huge avenue for that. So I think overall, as a bank, if you're not leveraging technology, that's something you definitely need to start doing heavier and heavier as we move forward. So.
And one thing you touched on are some of the associations that we are a part of, the Independent Community Bankers, the Minnesota Banking Association. We're attending a lot of the same seminars and conferences and technology conferences that all of you folks are attending. So bringing fresh, innovative ideas is a big part of our business. So.
Yeah. Well, I think with that, thanks so much for the time, and have a great day.